sun does rise, laying in the bed with bloodshot eyes. Late in the evening when the sun sinks low, that's about the time my rooster crows. I got women up and down this creek, and keep me going and my engine clean. Run me ragged but I don't fret, 'cause there ain't been one slow me down none yet. Get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. I got people try to tell me, Red, keep this living and you wind up dead. Cast your troubles on the Lord of Lords, wind up laying on a cooling board. But I got buddies up White House Road, and keep me strutting when my feet hang low. Rock gut whiskey gonna ease my pain, and all this running's gonna keep me sane. Get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling to run these roads. When you lay me in the cold hard clay, won't you sing them hymns while the banjo plays? You can tell them ladies that they ought not frown, 'cause there ain't been nothing ever held me down. Lawmen, women, or shallow grave, same old blues, just a different day. Get me drinking that moonshine, get me higher than the grocery bill. Take my troubles to the high wall, throw them in the river and get your fill. We've been sniffing that cocaine, ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling to run these roads.
All right, guys, there she is. You can see it looks pretty good. I got a couple that are still stuck on the root ball and stuff like that I need to get out. But for the most part, she's cleaned up. I'm not gonna lie. This was the first decision that I did not agree with Jeff on. Obviously, it's his place, so it's not my choice, but I thought the trees needed to stay. They've been providing a lot of shade and yada yada, but I gotta be honest. It looks way better without them there. I know the shadows hurt, but you can see we got the house pad level, but he wants an 8-foot porch, so the house stops somewhere in this area and we need to build at least 8 foot off this way. It's fairly built up in the middle, but there's some holes. I know it's hard to tell with the shadows. I got all these root balls in here I need to clean up. Got all this firewood that's just sitting here rotting, so it's gonna go in the hugelkultur mounds. So that's our first step, is get all this cleaned up, get all this cleaned up. There is some stumps in here I need to clean up, and then start leveling this out right here.
Woke up this evening with the devil in my bed. Jesus at the back door and nothing in my head. Well, I do my best, but I just don't understand. Tell me all about it if you can. Well, I fell in love with a woman of the night. It's a hard-working gal from Tennessee. Now I only get to see my baby when I've been riding high. Go and call the doctor before I die. Yeah, boy. I get high, baby, I get low. When I come down, down, down. Wish I was strong, oh, now, low. Give me whiskey when I'm sober, give me water when I'm dry. Give me reefer when I'm sickly, give me love before I cry. Well, I'm on my way to them blue, blue skies. Take me up to heaven when I die, yeah. Woke up this evening with the devil in my bed. Jesus at the back door and nothing in my head. Well, I do my best, but I just don't understand. Tell me all about it if you can. Go on, tell me all about it if you can.
And just look who snuck up on us. I didn't even see you pull up, dude. I was watching her, I guess. Yeah, we're filling the hugelkultur mounds. Jeff just made it. I don't know why my hair looks so crazy.
It's hot, but it's not that hot.
Not a bad day. We're getting some clearing done. I'm gonna show him what's going on, and then we'll get back to work. I've only got one GoPro battery because my other two swelled up and melted, so I'm gonna go put y'all on the charger while I get some stuff done, and we'll bring you back. All right, you guys are up to 64%, so that should give us some time. I am using the skid steer to level all this out. You see I got all those stumps out, and I've started to smooth it out. This doesn't have to be flat because there's going to be a back porch over it, so there's going to be a deck, but we just need to get it kind of even so there's not a bunch of giant holes to hold water and whatnot. So I'm going to set you up for a time lapse, and I'm going to start scraping this little level, and then I think we're going to go ahead and put the fabric down on one side.
It's alright and I got nothing to lose. They tell me I sing folk and that's okay, but it's news to me and I thought I was singing country. Well, it's probably because I got a real drums in my tunes, and it's alright and I got nothing to lose. I've got nothing to lose. Out of these boots. Think by now these songs would have cured their honky tonk blues, but I make them up as I go so I can follow the rules of nothing else. I got nothing to lose.
There you go. 25 feet of landscape cloth is put down. Like I said, each one's 13 feet with a foot overlap in the middle. And we got it all staked down, so it should still be here when we come back. And it will be 2 days before we come back, and when we do, there should be rock, and then we get to put rock down on this.
I got nothing to lose, nothing else. I've got nothing to lose.